Hi guys, today I want to share with you a recipe to make almond cake. We're going to need 2 cups of almond flour. To that I'm going to add half a cup of erythritol or monk fruit, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, no artificial ingredients added to that. 3 eggs, free range if possible. We're going to add 1/3 cup of melted butter or grapeseed oil. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, plain, no sugar added. And we're gonna mix it very well. This is a great option for people that are on low-carb diets or just trying to avoid sugar. We want to use a natural sweetener that won't have an impact on our blood sugar levels. It is ideal for people trying to lose weight and is very delicious. It's high in protein, it contains some fiber from the almond flour, so it's really a great option for you to try. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. And after that, it's ready for you to enjoy. I hope you can try this recipe. It's very easy to make and really delicious. Let me know if you try it and I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings to you.